Hi guys, welcome to my new video on this new year 2020, actually new decade, and happy new year everyone. I hope this year brings a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, and a lot of success to every one of you. Now let's jump into today's topic. Today I'm going to discuss about XML, that is extensible markup language. Let's get to it, and I will explain what we'll cover in this video series. In this video, okay, let's jump to the topic. We will cover. First of all, we will introduce XML, what actually the XML is, and then we'll describe about elements and attributes of XML. Then after, I'll explain the rules for writing XML and the namespace that is used in XML. Then after, I'll explain about schema, the simple types, that are simple types and complex types. Then after, I'll explain about XSD, its attributes, that are default values and fixed values, facets, use of patterns, order indicators, and choices on it, sequences and occurrence of indicators, max occurs and min occurs. Then after, DTD, very famous and most used patterns. Then after, I'll explain the internal declaration on DTD. Then after, I'll explain private external declaration. Then after, public external declaration with suitable and illustrative examples. I'll go through the programming. Then after, I'll explain about XSL, XSLT, XPath, SQE, SAX, that is Sax parser, and DOM of XML. I'm going to discuss all about these things with examples and illustration with programming. So stay tuned, guys. I'll come back on next video with introductions to XML. See you in that video. Have a good time. Thank you.